Hello everyone, this is Sean Heather, and in this video I'm going to show you how to update the software and OS of your Poco X7 Pro, Poco X7 or any of the Poco smartphone to get the latest and the best software features on your devices. So here we go. So the very first thing you need to do is connect your smartphone to the Wi-Fi, because sometimes these software packages can be huge in size. Once you are done with that, go to the settings. After that, you have to go to the about phone section. Just tap on that. It will start checking whether any software update is available for your device or not. And as you can see, there is a software update available for my Poco X7 Pro. Here is the changelog where you can have a look on all of the new features that this particular software update is going to bring to your smartphone. Just tap on download update. And as you can see, downloading of the software package is started. So now the downloading is completed and the extraction of the software package is going on. So now the extraction of the software package is completed and the finalizing process is going on. So the finalizing process is completed and the reboot now button is activated. So all you have to do is tap on reboot now button. The device will reboot and the installation of the software package will be started. Once the rebooting process is completed, the latest software package will be installed on your Poco, Redmi, Xiaomi, whatever smartphone you got. So now the device is rebooted and the software package is installed. So once again, to install any of the latest software package, software update on your device, all you have to do is go to the settings, go to the about phone section, and then tap on the HyperOS, and it will start checking whether any software update is available or not, and you can see no updates available anymore. So this is how you can update the software and OS of your Poco, Xiaomi or Redmi smartphones. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.